Look, my bitch is all bad, my niggas all real. I ride in dick in some big tall hills, big fat checks, big large bills. Run out, flip like 10 car wheels. Cold ass bitch, I give raw chills. 10 different look.
Hello? 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 Oh, so you gonna act like you don't hear me? Could you please hurry up, cake face? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Francine or Franny. In today's video, you guys, I just did this fall cut crease, y'all. I was just kind of like freestyling, and this is what I came up with. I thought it was super cute. I'm out of breath, y'all. But yeah, y'all, if you want to see how I got this look, just please continue watching. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to you girls. And hit the little bell notification button so you're notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Yo, peace. Alright, you guys, so I went ahead and did my brows off camera. And I primed my eyelids as well. Now I'm just setting my eyelids with this translucent powder. And now the first color I'm going to be taking, you guys, is basically the same color as my skin tone. I'm using this as a transition shade, and I'm placing that right into the crease and a little bit above the crease as well. The next color I'm going to be taking is like this burnt orange color. And I'm going to be placing that right into the crease with this fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I'm taking it above the crease as well. So now the next color, guys, this is a dark brown shade, and I'm placing this right on the outer corner and into the crease as well, but I'm not going above the crease. And I'm taking it a little bit along the on top of my lid as well, my eyelid. That didn't make sense, but you get the gist. And I went ahead and blended those two colors together. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease, you guys. And this little technique I do right here just shows me exactly where I need to cut the crease. And so I'm just going to apply that concealer all over the lid. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to place the translucent powder on top of that. I'm just setting that concealer into place so that it won't go nowhere. Now this color I'm going to be taking is this like nudish brownish color. It's like a nude color. I don't really know how to explain it, but this is a matte shade as well. And all the colors that I'm using, you guys, are from the Morphe palette. Sorry that I didn't mention that earlier. But yeah, they're all from the Morphe palette. I'm just patting that all over the lids. Alright, so I'm taking more of that dark brown shade and I'm placing that on the outer corner, the outer V of the lid, and into the lid a little bit as well, just so I can, you know, mend that harsh line of the cut crease. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a wing liner, you guys. I'm just going to do one eye on camera because y'all see me do this 1,000 times. So, yeah. And I went back in with that brown shade and I'm just deepening up that crease a little bit. And I went in with my Maybelline highlighter and I'm just highlighting my brow bone. And prepping my lashes with this Estee Lauder mascara. And the lashes I'm using by Vegas Nay. And this is in the style Glamorous. I think it's Glamorous. But yeah. And I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime. And the foundation I'm using is by NYX. I think this is a NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I do have a review on this, you guys, if you guys want to check it out. I'm just going to blend that in with my wet beauty blender. Why can I never say that right? Beauty blender. I cannot talk sometimes, y'all. And it looks a little bit dark, but yeah, as y'all will see, it will, like, you know, blend in my skin like perfectly towards the end of the video. Oh girl, but it does look too dark. But trust me, it's gonna be cute. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal, highlight underneath my eyes. And this, what highlighter is this, y'all? I think this is by Maybelline. No, this is by covergirl True Lit, the True Blend mascara. True Blend mascara. Oh my god. Y'all, Lord, I cannot talk. It's CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit concealer, y'all. Jesus Christ. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Oh, I'm doing everything backwards. And so I just went on the bottom of my lower lash line with that burnt orange color that I used for my first transition shade, was it? Yeah. And so then I'm just, put some mascara on my bottom lashes. And this is by Maybelline as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my under eye with the airspun powder that I used to prime my eyelids with. Well, to set my eyelids with. And I'm just highlighting my inner corner with that same highlighter. My nose. And I'm applying some more mascara to my falsies just so my falsies can blend better with my natural lashes. And I'm just going to go ahead and set my whole face. And I am using my CoverGirl. Oh no, this is L'Oreal face powder. And I'm just contouring a little bit with this. This is the BH Cosmetics contour palette that I have for years. So I'm bronzing up my face with that. And now I just went directly under that contour with my face powder. Just to sharpen up the contour a little bit. I don't really like a really harsh contour. I like it to be like very light. And I'll just go ahead and apply my blush. And this blush is from Juvia's Place. And now I just took a little bit more of the highlighter and I highlight the top of my cheeks just a little bit. Not too much because I have pimples and highlighter be like making your pimples pop. Alright guys, so I'm just lining my lip with this. I think this is a, I don't know what lip pencil this is. I have it linked down below, y'all. But this lipstick is by NYX. And this color is in Rouge. It's like a brownie nudie color, y'all. I love it. I think it's so cute. It kind of look purplish now. And now I'm just setting my face with my Urban Decay All Night Setter Spray. And that is the complete look, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Sorry it sounds kind of rushed. But thank y'all so much for watching. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.